Hikari HX6904T MC Pewterized Direct Drive Cylinder Bed Overlock Sewing Machine. Comparable with international first-class swimming suit special bottom feed elastic tension cylinder bed sewing machine. Product tension uniform, high quality. Responsible for swimming suit, elastic bending, underwear fabric. Stable bottom feed system. Precisely controls elastic tension. Tension-free fabric delivery for high-quality sewing. Made for the high-end swimming wear. Computer-controlled tape feed quantity. Elastic tension uniform and straight fabric feeding. Auto thread trimming and elastic cutting, avoiding the elastic waste. Auto and manual segment shifting for options. 8-segment tension adjustable. 26-group memory function save the operators and more efficient. Automatic presser foot function make the operation more easy and convenient. Hikari HX6904T computerized direct drive cylinder bed overlock sewing machine.